get ready with me sa aking pagme-makeup sa loob ng kotse. So, ito ay nagmamadali na tayo because we have an early event for today. So, first things first, of course, we have the concealer of Mary Kay. This is the multi-benefit concealer na sobrang ganda talaga mga mi. Kasi when we say concealer, it really conceals your eye bags, dark circle eyes, and even dark spots. Ang favorite ko talaga dito, ang ginagamit ko ay ang Mary Kay na talagang ang galing mag-conceal and mag-cover na mga gusto nating takpan, and it gives us this glowing base look. And after that, of course, we're gonna use the Mary Kay New Time Wise 3D Foundation. So my hack is I'm using the matte and luminous talaga. I usually combine it. And of course, for my shade, I'm using the light 3 for the matte and also the medium 1 naman for the luminous. So, pea-size amount lang yan. It really goes a long way. I'm using my beauty fingers, the ring, and middle finger. So, importante talaga na less is more. Huwag mo agad damihan para kontrolado mo kung gaano lang kadami dapat i-apply mo para hindi naman siya foundation din yung dating. But ang maganda sa Mary Kay foundation, napakatipid talagang gamitin. Look at that mga mi. Sa pea-size amount na yun, kasya na for my face and also sa neck area. So, blend it properly and look at that. Natural looking talaga yung finish niya. And of course, I'm using the cheek color. Ito yung gel cream blush. I'm using Coral Kiss. Yan. So, pag nagmamadali na tayo, we also use that one. And of course, I'm using sa aking cheek area. And of course, dito rin sa my chin area para natural looking siya. So, maganda talaga dito. You can actually use it for eye area din if kung gusto mo lang din. So, ayan. So, fresh look na siya. And syempre, maglalagay tayo ng special ang event. Kaya meron tayong Mary Kay eye colors. This is the limited edition palette na napakaganda talaga. So, I'm using the lightest shade dyan for my base. And makita niyo naman, ina-apply ko siya sa buong eyelid area. So, talagang kailangan very, very important na dahan-dahanin mo when you're applying the accent as well. So, ayan, next natin is syempre, kilay is life na. So, maganda dito sa Mary Kay Volumizing Brow Tint. Talagang kukulayan niyo yung ating dark hair sa ating kilay. Especially katulad kung may kulay yung buhok. Tapos, papantay din yan. Lalagyan niyo ng magandang shape. At maganda din itong gamitin, lalo sa ating mga kababaeng nagmamadali. O diba, instantly nagka-shape na yung ating brow area. And syempre, since long day to, I'm using the Mary Kay Waterproof Mascara. Mga mi, ang ganda na ito. Kahit maiyak ka, maulanan, hindi talaga magsusmudge siyang mascara na yan. And look at that, it can actually volumize and lengthen as well. To complete the final look, I'm using the Mary Kay lipstick. Itong ginamit ko ngayon ay actually red salsa, pero light lang nilagay ko para hindi siya sobrang talagang pulang-pula. Kasi gusto ko lang medyo mas kita for the whole day. But look at that, very natural looking pa rin. But the good thing about it, you can also have the mauve moment for every day. So yun lang mga mima, look at my face right now. Ayan, fresh look looking using all Mary Kay Cosmetics. Bye!